a lot of gig apps run background checks on their drivers as well. That has resulted in some drivers getting deactivated. So, what do you think they should watch out for on their background checks?
Well, you've got to make sure that you have the same information that the companies have. If you have a history that is going to create flags in the company's database or their background checks, you want to be on top of that. You want to have backups for yourself if and when that gets detected by the company. Certainly, if you can have your record expunged, if there's been so much time that has passed that a court would throw out that charge or that conviction, that's going to be helpful. But in most situations, these records don't get expunged. In most situations, these things stay on people's records. So you have to be honest with yourself. Am I at risk of being deactivated the next time the company does the background checks? If so, I might want to consider applying to other companies. Don't just be on Uber, also sign up for Lyft and Instacart and Grubhub. And that way, if one income stream dries up, you've got another opportunity ready to go.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's definitely something really important for people to know because you don't want to be fully reliant on one app when you could be making more and kind of like building up your account, like your portfolio on the account on other apps. So I think that's important.
Right.
And
It's like investing. You don't want to put all your money in one stock. You want to diversify so that if something goes wrong, you've got other eggs in other baskets.
yeah, exactly.